Why is my gutter overflowing during a heavy downpour? That's one of the biggest questions I receive from homeowners. Now, when you look at this gutter carefully, it's about 40 feet long. It's lifted up high in the middle, and then it drops down to the right where the downspout is so the water can drain. Now, also the gutter drops down to the left, and there is no downspout there. So when it rains really heavy, not only does the water overflow over the front, but it also goes over the back, and eventually it could cause the wood fascia board to rot. Now, another thing here is when you look at the soffit here, you can see it's on an angle. If that soffit was laying flat, when the water overflows over the back, the water can go right through the soffit and leak right across the top of the windows. So thankfully that soffit has an angle to it. So what we need to do to correct the problem is we need to remove all the screws on the inside of the gutter from, say, about right here all the way down to the left end, and then we're going to lift the gutter up as high as we can on the left side and then slowly but surely drop it down to the right. So once that's done, this homeowner will not have a problem with overflowing gutters. Yeah, you can see there's a lot of water generating in this gutter because there's a gutter up there and there's a downspout here. So all that water from the upper roof is going down to the gutter, and then you have a downspout over here, and the same problem there is happening. Again, this is Steve, a WA roofing expert. We specialize in gutter replacement in Snohomish and King County, Washington, and also roof replacement and roof repair and infrared roof leak detection. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.